Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ni David Licauco sa kanyang FB. Hey lang, tapos may smile. Ayan na nga, the handsome David Licauco na lagi naka-black shoes lately at sobrang saya niya nga sa Australia. Sino kayo nagpapasaya sa kanya ngayon? Ayan na nga. At ayan, nakita niya, dalawa yung wine glass niya. So, si Jean ba ang kasama niya dyan? At next ay post ni Aya or tweet ni Aya, sabi, alam niyo na kung para kanino yung hey. Sa bagay nga, yun nga din yung ginamit niya dun sa tweet kay Barbie, di ba? Yung, hey, appreciate you as always. I will always be proud of you too. Hehe. At next naman na yung napakagandang episode kanina ng Beauty Empire. Grabe, I so love it. So yun na nga, medyo kinilig ako dito sa scene na to. Yung tingin nila Choi Bo-min, grabe. Pero Team Sam pa rin tayo, hindi tayo Team Alex. Or Team Choi. Team Migoy, hindi Team Alex. So, di ba? Di ba? Ganyan. Parang K-drama. Ay, nako. At tulala lang si Choi Bo-min sa kagandahan ni Barbie. Ayan, cute din si Choi Bo-min, in fairness. I love him also na. At next naman na yung favorite scene ko kanina doon sa episode 2. Let's watch it.
Don't worry. 내가 알아서 해결할게.
ikaw na naman? Sino ka ba? 네가 알아서 한다고요? 그게 무슨 말이야? 당신 누구야?
Grabe, ang galing mag-Korean ni Barbie. parang K-drama actress. Parang si Park Bo-young.
You speak Korean?
나 한국어 너무 잘하거든? Kaya ikaw, wag na wag kang magkakamali sa pagsabing i-handle mo ko, kundi ikaw ang i-handle ko.
Diba kung si David nag-speak ng Chinese at saka Japanese doon sa kanyang show, si Barbie naman Korean. Grabe. Ito pala yung barda chismis ko dati, yung si Barbie nag-aral ng Korean language.
You're a real work of art. Don't worry, I can't get my own bar in trouble. Can I? Wala kong planong masama.
Nagtatagalog ka pala.
And lastly, ito naman yung nakaka-intrigang scene na gusto ko. Let's watch it.
Pero alam mo kung bakit kailangan natin gawin to. Si Fulen. Because if we tell her na we know everything about her sister, it's going to open a can of worms. Masasayang lahat ang naipundar natin.
Ayun na nga. So, alam ko si, Velma, maaring meron siyang kinalaman doon sa pagkamatay ng ate ni Barbie or ni Noreen. Pero medyo puzzled ako kung ano yung kinalaman ni Shari doon sa pagkamatay ng ate ni Noreen, diba? Grabe, exciting siya for tomorrow's episode. At next nga ay tweet ni Reggie, the right people supporting the right people. Kasi nga tweet nga ng David Troops yung congratulations Barbie for Beauty Empire. At nag-reply naman ang David Troops na, of course dear, we support everything that David Licauco supports. Wow. Mukhang nagbago na ng tuluyan ang mga David Troops. So sana yung mga ibang distance din na nababash kay Barbie. At next ay yung interview kay David Licauco. Let's watch this.
In my head na I couldn't sing. I also hope na nagustuhan ni Barbie. Just know talaga if you love the person Good. Love takes time. David Licauco pala. Hi Philippine Star readers, it's David Licauco. I'm inviting you all to listen to my newest single, I Think I Love You, now out on all streaming platforms.
Congrats, David, from Pambansang Binoto.
Ito pambansang singer, gano'n.
Grabe naman yung pambansang singer.
How an experience releasing that song via PBB?
Well, it was my first time to actually hear the song in PBB, right? Parang yun yung final, diba? Kasi at the start, parang may mga minor edits pa with regards to like the melody and stuff. So, at first, I was pretty shy, definitely, to the housemates, also like to Dustin na syempre. Kaibigan ko yun eh. Hindi naman yun expect na maging singer ako. Ay, magkakaroon ako ng single, right? So, yun, I was really shy. But then eventually, they told me na they really liked the song and
Maganda naman talaga yung song, catchy siya, at saka danceable, pwedeng pan TikTok. Kaya sana i-TikTok pinsan ni David. Sumayaw-sayaw din siya, di ba?
yun, I was really grateful na nagustuhan nila. And then, yeah, nakakatawa nga kasi ni LSS talaga sila eh. Like, all day, talagang kinakanta nila na parang I think, I love you, ganun. So, nakakataba ng puso, definitely. Yeah.
Tsaka immediately, top 5 siya ka.
Yeah, yun nga. Nagulat din ako eh. Nagulat ako, syempre.
Sa tingin mo, bakit siya nag-rate? Nag-top 5 ka? Dahil sa fanbase, pero syempre fanbase.
Yeah, for sure. And also,
True, syempre sa mga super loyal fans ni David.
so, syempre, yung vision naman talaga sa song is a song mag-resonate nga sa mga Gen Z. I'm happy na Gen Z rin yung fans ko. So, yun, they really like the song.
Guys ba, parang wanted to venture into music? And then you realize na may singing voice ka pala.
Not really. Actually, yung start, I was
Naman, puro recorded nga yung ano niya. Pag provincial show siya, puro recorded yung song.
really shy. And in my head, na I couldn't sing. But then, sabi ng voice coach ko na everybody can sing. You just have to be confident and you have to memorize the melody, the tonality of the song. And then, yun, just sing. Yun, so I feel like, yeah, I believe her na now na everybody can sing.
Anong mga next music na abangan namin pa?
Gusto ko yung medyo slow, about love, parang yung palagi.
Sana kantayin niya rin yung Kailangan Kita, yung soundtrack ng MK, di ba? Nakaka-inlove yun.
Yung kanta, di ba you were saying, you chose this song kasi it resonates to you deep personally. Ito ba yung team song mo ngayon?
Not necessarily.
So saan ka naka-relate doon na part? Ba't mo nasabi na connect?
Tagal na kasi to.
Ay, wow. Siguro 2023 pa to, no? Oo, nung nag-sign up siya nung nung nagkapirmahan after siguro dun gagawa yung song. Palagay ko lang.
So at that
Tagal lang kasi to sinulat. Right?
kailan to? Sino?
Hindi sinabi kung kailan sila. Siyempre, malalaman kung para kanino yung song. Kasi kung ganitong year, para kay yan, di ba? Ganon.
You say na tinatawag siyang Barda Anthem.
I'm really grateful for the TikTok edits, ganyan, and I'm happy na nagustuhan nila. I also hope na nagustuhan ni Barbie. Sabi naman niya, catchy daw yung song. And then, ayun, sana siya yung sa music video. Let's see if she is not busy at that time. But I would
In fairness, I'm really happy na si David talaga very vocal na sabi na gusto niya si Barbie Fortesa yung leading lady niya sa music video. Kaya pag hindi ginawa yun ng Universal, magtatampo talaga yung mga fans.
totally understand. Again, syempre yung concept din eh. Baka hindi naman fit din sa kanya, di ba? So,
Ano yung process mo, David, bago mo masabi yung
namahal ko yung babae.
in real life?
Syempre, yung step-by-step naman ng pangliligaw sa start. Mag-date kayo, ma-message ka, chat-chat, yun. At kaya mo makipag-date, sunduin mo, di mo naliligaw.
Ayan na yung step by step ni David Licao ko ng panliligaw.
Kapag nagustuhan mo sa first date, mag-decide ka na kung liligawan mo siya, di ba? And then, mangliligaw ka, yun, getting to know stage. And then, ayun, kapag na-feel mo na mahal mo na nga siya, syempre kailangan mo isipin, like, is this really love or is this just a fleeting moment or feeling, right? So, ayun, tapos siguro date ulit, titingnan mo talaga. Kailangan sigurado eh. Matagal.
Di nga, parang ang dami na naging jowa ni David para maging matagal panliligaw niya.
Di naman yung love takes time. Right? So, hanggang sa masabi ko na kaya ko na sabihin. Yeah.
So matagal siya para sa yung I love you na line. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Clumsy. Pag sinabi mo, yun na yun, sincere talaga.
Actually, I take it back. Minsan pala medyo mabilis eh, di ba?
O di ba napaisip si David? Hindi pa kasi gano'ng katagalan si David. Mag I love you nako. Mabilis lang yan.
Parang feeling ko hindi pala...
Parang you just...
Oo, you just know talaga if you love the person eh. Take it back. I think you will just know. Very usually, it takes time. I think I love you.
Di nga.
Mga hype songs. Mga EDM, Z, mga panahon ko, ganun. Clarity, sina Tiesto, ganun. Mga EDM songs. Multo. So, favorite ko Multo. I would listen to it almost every day. Actually, every day for sure. And then, Cherry. It's a very house song. Mahilig kasi ako sa house. Ganyan. And Taylor Swift. Yeah, si Darius. Yung kumanta ng Multo. Si Cup of Joe. Right Now. And then, Taylor Swift. David Licao ko pala.
Song by
Siningit yung sarili.
Taylor Swift.
Daylight. A lot of songs eh. All of her songs actually.
Si Barbie ba nag-introduce sa'yo?
Hindi, tagal na. 2014 pa lang. Nanood na ako ng concert niya. For my love life, ano lang. Chill lang.
Chill na music.
Taking time, focusing on myself.
And for your career, kung may kanta ka.
Sa career? Ano nga bang kanta ko sa career? I think I Love You. Because I love my career right now.
Ganda ng career mo ngayon talaga, David.
Thank you.
For the long
Oo naman, ang ganda naman ng karan ni David. Medyo tinengga lang siya ng GMA.
Thankful to GMA. Thankful to myself, really, for the effort that I put in, for the hard work that I have been doing the past years, diba? Trusting my system, etc. Yeah, minsan nakakalimutan natin magpasalamat sa sarili natin eh.
And next, what's next for you?
What's next for me? I have a teleserye. We are working on it. Yeah, it's on prime time again.
Ito nga ay medyo magulo. Actually, ang alam namin talaga, Beauty Empire lang magigest si David, pero wala namang information kung may iba siyang teleserye. Kasi yung Hari ng Tondo, alam ko na shelved na yon. At saka mukhang napaka-imposible naman mag-introduce sila ng bagong teleserye. Eh dapat ngayon pa lang ini-introduce na yun eh. Pagkaano may bagong teleserye si David, diba? Pero let's wait and see. Kami inaalam pa rin natin, baka may surprise project nga yung GMA kay David.
So again, thankful to GMA.
At tweet nga ni Christina Alag, if you had been watching him for a long time now, you could definitely say na kahit walang audio na si Barbie Fortesa on topic based on the reactions and the smile. Haha, super consistent yan since day one. Actually, true. Pero mas grabe siya nung mga 2023. And then we have more pictures of the Beauty Empire cast, Barbie, Kylie, and Miss Rufa Gutierrez. And the cute Sam Concepcion. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye.